How do you feel about a quarter-final place?
That would just be completely... Oof. I have no words for it. It would just be crazy. The dishes that I'm doing today, I know that the flavours are there, the technique's there. I'm very confident that if I nail them, they will be amazing. Today, I'm going to be making you a monkfish and king prawn curry with steamed basmati rice and flatbread. For dessert, I'm doing a chocolate fondant that has kirsch-soaked cherries inside.
Do you know the reputation that fondants have in this competition?
I do. It doesn't faze me. I'm quite confident in mine.
How do you feel about a quarter-final place?
That would just be completely... Oof. I have no words for it. It would just be crazy.
Terry, boof to you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Flatbreads are so easy to get wrong. It can be tough if it's not pillowy and lovely.
OK, we should be going now. You ready?
Yeah.
Go get 'em!
Let's go!
Terry, a nice dish.
Thank you. Hiya.
Hi, Terry.
Today I've cooked you monkfish and king prawn curry with a steamed basmati rice and flatbread.
Thank you, Terry.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I think that's a really decent curry. The rice is really well cooked and seasoned.
Plump prawns, nicely cooked monkfish, but I just think the sauce is quite thin.
The curry sauce is light and it is a bit watery, but I can forgive her that because you can see the skill here.
The fish is cooked nicely, the prawns cooked nicely. For me, that needs a lot more spice added to it, and that sauce is quite thin. Rice is beautifully cooked. Bread needs a bit more cooking. How long have those fondants got to cook for?
8 minutes in the oven.
This sounds great, but fondants are tough, so let's hope it's a fondant and not a fondant.
Jack.
Those fondants look like they've got a little bit more cooking to do.
I'm going to be slightly over.
If you get it right, it's one of the most delicious things you can eat. But if it doesn't come out right, there's no second chances in that kitchen.
You've got just 2 minutes. Oh, they're puffing up.
Woohoo!
Look at that. Come on. So just got to get them out now.
Yep.
Look at that. Come on.
We're done.
Brilliant.
Thank you. For dessert, I've made you a chocolate fondant with kirsch-soaked cherries inside, some raw cocoa nib and a vanilla-infused cream. Enjoy.
Thank you, Terry.
Thank you, Terry.
Oh, it was hardcore, but pretty amazing. I'm crossing my fingers for the oozy middle in the chocolate fondant.
Is it oozing?
No,
it's not.
Oh,
No.
Jack.
It looks soft, though.
I know it's not a fondant, but it really tastes good. And when you get a burst of that cherry, it's great.
Vanilla cream's been whipped okay. Actually, I quite like that crunchy bitterness of the cocoa nibs. It just wasn't oozing, and that's all it needed, and it would have been great.
The curse of MasterChef strikes yet again, and another fondant that is not oozing in the middle.
Ooh. There's no ooze. A fondant should have ooze. There ain't no ooze.
It hasn't worked out for Terry, but that doesn't stop it being absolutely delicious.
The last quarter-final place. Sandy, congratulations. Terry, thanks very much indeed. You've been brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, Terry. Bye-bye, Terry.
I would have loved to have progressed. It's been a really an amazing experience. And it is sad, but it's a competition.